So, problem-based learning sounds great and desirable to educators, and is beneficial for students in creating effective learning opportunities. Then why is it not happening more often in day-to-day teaching? Dolmans and colleagues suggest that it is often due to poor implementation of problem-based learning activities. The learning process does not necessarily stimulate students towards constructive, self-directed, collaborative, and contextual learning. This challenge causes many educators to revert back to activities that are less problem-based and that use a more traditional question and response style. Teachers are faced with many tasks and only have a limited amount of time to complete these tasks. This is why considering problem-based learning at the lesson planning stage is essential. This will help ensure that it is built into the lesson and that it is done efficiently. Again, we as educators owe it to our students to provide them with the skills that come from problem-based learning contexts. To assist teachers in lesson planning, Bridges highlights 5 things to consider. 1. The starting point for learning is a problem, that is, a stimulus for which an individual lacks a ready response. 2. The problem is one which students are apt to face as future professionals. 3. The knowledge that students are expected to acquire during their professional training is organized around problems rather than disciplines. 4. Students, individually and collectively, assume a major responsibility for their own instruction and learning. And 5. Most of the learning occurs within the context of small groups rather than lectures. These characteristics help guide instructional designers in creating authentic problem-based learning situations that support retention of skills that can be used in future situations. I hope this has helped you develop a better understanding of problem-based learning. This model moves away from simple integration of technology to creating opportunities for students to build lasting, transferable skills. Knowing that there are great benefits to increase student understanding through inclusion of problem-based learning, I encourage you to incorporate this design into your lesson planning. Thank you for watching both parts of this video. I'd like you to take a moment to review the next slide for a list of references that were used to support this video.